About a year ago, I created a video called the storage network system. And basically what this video was basically a storage system that came to me. Now in this video, we are going to go back to that same idea, and this time instead of using the items, we are going to be using minecarts for moving the items. So the big thing about this storage system is that I actually built it to be for builders. Because in my world, I do like to build, and I've always wanted a system where I could just go to and I can get almost any block I wanted. And I've been wanting to use this sort of selection system for a long time. And basically what this does is that you can choose if you want like walls or slabs or the block itself or the stair. And let's say I chose stairs, and then you would just get every single stair type, or I could choose walls and I would get every single wall type. That's kind of the idea behind this build. There's a ton of ways that you can configure it. For me, I live in a desert and I use a ton of sandstone, and sandstone for some reason has like a billion different type of variants, and it's really annoying trying to find the ones that have scattered around my base. But you could also do it a couple different ways. Like you could make it so that if you choose brick, it would just bring you every type of brick type. So that would include stairs, walls, slabs, and the actual block itself. So here we have it. Basically, we have this selection system, and I actually decided to use whole blocks. And currently we are on deep slate, and now what it will bring us is basically every type of deep slate, or not every type, of course. There's only 9 minecarts here, and there's like 13 or more probably of different type of deep slate blocks. So you gotta build more of these, but this was just for building the concept. And basically what it does, let's say I want to switch to sandstone, click this button, minecarts are gone. 12 seconds later, we get our new minecarts, just like that. So what do we pick? We pick sandstone, and here we have sandstone, chiseled sandstone, and cut sandstone. That's basically the whole idea. Like I have one for oak types right here. The system takes about 12 seconds, and it probably could be built in a better way. But this was by far the most consistent way I could think of, as you could technically basically stack minecarts all together, right, like this basically, right, and then the minecarts could be stored in one single block. But this way it would be hard to separate them, is the only thing that I realized. So yeah. So as you can see, we have all our spruce logs, and this is the size of the build. Obviously a massive build. It is quite large because it's just a very it's not like a crazy sorting system. It's very simple. It does support automatic sorting. I didn't actually completely add it, but there is room to make it, but it will cost you a lot of iron for one. So I don't think it's the most practical sorting system out there, but it's something that if you have the resources for, it's a good idea to build. And basically how this works is that there is a massive chute that is completely empty, and the only thing that's in here are tripwires. So basically what happens is that once you choose an item, these minecarts get pushed down, and also these pistons get pushed up to here to this next block that's empty right here. And so that when the minecarts come back, the pistons are pushed up to here, and that way once they hit the trip, these observers go off and activate the pistons to push them back in place. So I'm going to try to show you in the flesh here. So I'm going to switch them, and we can see the minecarts fall just like that. And then we chose a different block. There it goes, and it drops down, and it takes this little elevator and it goes up. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys this cool little sorting system that I built. So yeah, so thank you guys all for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this sorting system, and I'll see you guys in the next video.